how to change Gemini to Google Assistance. Hey Google. If I say hey Google, then you can see my Gemini is enabled. If you change it as Google Assistant, open your Google browser, then press on this icon and make sure you are logged into with Gmail account. Then go to setting, and under setting you can see the Google Assistance. Press on Google Assistance, then press on digital assist from Google. Now select Google Assistance, press on switch. Now go back and check another setting, voice match. Make sure your hey Google is enabled. If it disabled, just enable this one. Now if you say hey Google, if it's not working first time, hey Google, hey Google, then simply restart your phone. Restart my phone. Here's what I found on the web. Restart my phone. If you say hey Google, then you can see hey Google, your hey Google is enabled. So that's it. Thank you.